Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the front brake discs and brake pads on Fiat 500. First we'll start by removing the bolt that holds the brake pad sensor and then disconnect the connector for the sensor. Next we'll remove the two bolts that hold the brake calipers, If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. After we remove the two bolts, we can remove the brake caliper. I might need the pry bar to pry the brake caliper out a little. Next we'll remove the two bolts that hold the brake calipers. Next we need to remove the brake disc. The brake disc is held by two bolts that we need to remove. After we remove the brake disc, we use a wire brush to clean the wheel hub a little bit. And now we can put on the new brake disc and assemble everything back in the reverse order. To push the brake cylinder in, we're gonna be using a brake caliper compression tool so that we can push it in and it will go on the brake support. And that's the brake caliper on. Now we need to put the two bolts that hold the brake caliper, and we need to connect the connector for the brake pad wear sensor. And after everything is assembled, don't forget to push the brake pedal a few times so that the brake cylinder goes back to normal position, so that the brakes become okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching.